Today we're going to be talking about let's go this way. We're back at the Ford F-150. So today we're going to be doing a facelift. Now this is going to be 3.0. The first one, which was the headlights. The second one was repositioning the plate and removing the lip spoiler, air dam, whatever it was called. That was the 2.0. 3.0, today we're getting rid of this grill. We got the Ford Raptor replica grill that's going to be going on here today. I'm super excited to see how that one will turn out. I kind of got an idea and I'm super pumped to take you guys along with us. So let's get this one going. So we got a box in here. And in this box, I'm going to find out what's in here. Okay, so you got your hardware in here. That's really good. So it looks like we should be set to go with all of these goodies in here. All right, I can see it. I can see it. Damn, it looks good. So we got the hood popped. And I got a hand today. I'm going to introduce him at the end of the video. What we're going to do is we're going to get the plugs or the bolts removed from the top here. That will eventually let go of the grill. Plus, there is the bumper trim that has to be popped out over here. And to get this bumper trim popped out, we need to get into the fender well. And under the fender well, there's two screws, one here and one here. Once we unscrew these, we can pop this out, this pops out, this comes totally off, and then we're in. But let's get to it. We're just going to remove this cover now. All you have to do is literally just lift up the air dam slightly and it comes pretty much right off, just like that, with the T in my hand. This is so good. Kenyan T. So what's going on here is there's the two bolts that I was mentioning earlier. Hasleen is actually going in here and removing those right now so we can unclip the front portion of this trim and then release the bumper trim after that. 1/4-inch ratchet with a size 7. Cool. Two release clips that have been released, and that's all you pretty much need to do. This will allow us to open up the trim over here. The first side has been plied off, and now pretty much the rest is a little bit easier now to pull off. Alright, so she's naked. Bare naked. Almost. Alright, so I'm going to show you what the shutters look like over here. Well, you can follow me. And so these are the electronic shutters. And so this will actually have to be disconnected from the grill and then connected to the new grill. This was what was plugged into the OEM grill for the electronic vents. Once you do unplug this out, be sure not to start up your truck because it'll start sending all these fault signals and errors on your dash, and then you may need the computer again to reset that. So best idea is to keep the truck off while you have this unplugged. Just wanted to mention that there was an extra bolt right over here. Here we go. Exciting times. There we go. We are done with the grill. However, because of time and the darkness, we weren't able to get the marker lights connected. So there's going to be a part 2. We're going to intervene tomorrow during the daylight when things are looking a little better and we can see what we're doing. We're going to get this one connected and then it will be officially all complete. But I'm loving the way it's looking so far. I'm ever so glad that we did this. So we will see you in just a quick moment. All right, so here we are, day 2. And the grill is looking fantastic. So when we got this grill installed, it was dark. Now you're looking at it in broad daylight. Beautiful day today, and we're super excited to get these 3 markers installed or wired up and then see how it looks. Moving this air dam and This is gonna actually give us some space to access the back of the headlight. I'm gonna kind of take you guys through the journey as we get into it. And up it comes. So this will let us get right into the back of the headlight. So we got the T-tap, and this is what's gonna help us connect the wires. You don't need to use one of these, but it does definitely help. It saves time and is a lot easier. All right, so it's done. Just tucking the access wire away. That's it. It looks amazing. The guys here did a fantastic job. So I'm gonna get them on the camera right now from the repair company. Hasnain and your partner, I'd like to welcome you guys on. You guys can walk up this way. So we have the truck in the background as well, right? We gotta have the truck in the background. So yeah, if you want to just let our viewers know exactly what you guys do, and special thanks to both of you guys for making this happen so quickly and professionally. So yeah, go ahead, the floor is yours.
My name is Hasnain and this is my partner Amir, and we run the repair company. We have an automotive section and a tech repair section. Once again, it was a pleasure working on the Black Pearl. It looks amazing with the marker lights. It's always fun working with Fayaz.
Thank you.
We do automotive services as a mobile service, so we come to your house or to your workplace. We do emergency services too. We're open usually even after hours, so after 5 when all the shops are closed, or on the weekends, you can always call us up. We'll send out one of our technicians who are well trained. They have a lot of experience, and we'll get your car fixed.
Amazing, amazing. So you guys heard that, you heard it clear. They are a mobile service, so they come to your place, especially during these times right now. If you're working from home or you're working at an office, these guys are gonna reach there and they are gonna be there to get your car repaired in any way or form. So thank you very much. I'm gonna have the details underneath the video where you can find their contact information. If you are local in the Greater Toronto area, hit them up. They do a fantastic job. So bro, thanks a lot. Yeah, until next time, I'm gonna remind you that there is a subscribe button that's gonna pop up at the bottom of the screen. You know where the real button is. Please smash it, tap it, click on it, whatever you can to show your support. And until next time, we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.